Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable Facebook professional mode. If you're a creator or you run a business and you want to turn on the professional mode, you can check out your dashboard or you just want to make money out of it. In this video, I'll show you how it can be done. So first, you have to simply open your Facebook app and then you have to click onto your profile icon to get into your profile. Once you get into your profile, you will see the three dots on the right side. You have to click onto the three dots and then you have to scroll down a bit. You will see this option for turn professional mode. Click onto this option and after that you have to click on turn on. But before you may read this information related to turning on professional mode. Once you have read it and you have clicked onto it, then it will take you to this page. Now you have to read all that information and then you have to keep clicking on next. If you want to pause at any moment, read all that, and then whatever option you think is the right one for you, you can select it. Like here, you can choose your privacy, like what will be your audience. You can choose anything as per your preferences, whatever you want to go. And once you're done with all these things, you will see the professional mode will be turned on. It is better to read every information on your screen very carefully because whatever option you select, it will have an impact on your profile. Once you have read it and everything, then your professional mode will be turned on. From now on, you can access your professional dashboard from where you will be able to find every information related to your business, or if you're running as a creator, then your profile. So that's how you will be able to turn on professional mode on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.